Hello guys, so another made to order unit to release. Buyer from Luzon all the way from Bicol. So ang unit ni sir is DR17. So this is Nissan. DR17 power window front and power mirror. Then yung second row niya is modified to captain seat. So ang unit ni sir is Steptronic. Pwede po siyang automatic, pwede po siyang maging manual. So yung unit ni sir is naka all around tent. Yung sa harap po is naka nano chameleon ceramic tint, 99 heat rejection, naka headlight cover, brand new LED headlight, brand new LED park light, naka amber light grille, naka fog lamp assembly with LED bulb. Yan po yung unit sir. Naka steel bumper, naka brand new mugs and tire 16565 size 13, naka fender fiber with stainless bolt, stainless window trim, heavy duty roof carrier, naka rain visor. Yan po. Then sa likod naman, naka spoiler po siya, naka steel step board. Yan po. With backing camera sa stereo at sa dashcam po niya, no. Ito is naka power mirror na meron siyang ilaw. So this is modified power mirror, no. Yan po. Check po natin yung interior niya guys. So this is power window. So brand new steering cover. Then si sir is nag-modify po siya ng horn, yung mga switch niya, push button gas tank, fog lamp, amber light, naka digital temperature gauge, 9 inches na Android stereo with frame, dashcam with backing camera. Then naka brand new seat cover. Dito naman po sa second row is naka-modify to captain seat. So ang unit po ni sir is straight set lang po, no. Brand new coil matting, first, second, and third. Yan po. And then check po natin dito sa third row. Extension back seat with backrest. At the same time po, pwede siyang maging storage box. Bago yung ceiling niya. Door pads. Tapos si sir is nag-add po ng 2 ceiling fan. Yung dome light po niya sa first and third is nakalim na po. Ayan. So ito naman yung dashboard niya. Naka-neck pillow, belt cover. So double stitch po yung design na seat cover ang gusto ni sir, no. Yan po. So yung lahat po ng unit natin is naka-engine wash po siya, no. Engine cleaning. Yan po. So naka-test drive na po ito siya. Na-check na po namin yung under chassis, brake system, cooling system. Palit po lahat ng oil, filter, new brake fluid, new coolant. So ang unit po ni sir is ipipick up niya sa atin. Ibabaylan niya pa uwi pa puntang Bicol. So yun lang po at maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Gawang QM Works.